Yeah. Honorable members, please. Right here, please. Putandra, please, right. Are we in parliament or somewhere else? I'm not able to understand. If nobody want to hear, then I need not do anything. Look, mera suniye na, please. Please, right there, please. Please, अपना जगह पे जाइए, please. बैठिए सब लोग. Ganesh. Honorable members, I have received notice. Honorable members, I appeal to all the members and the leaders, please ask them to go to their seat. Hear me what I am saying at least. I am just asking you, please go to your seat. I will go a minute, please. Navarendra Krishnan ji, 2 minutes. What I am going to say here and then you want to do it. What I am going to say, please hear for a minute. Please go to. See, and the chair is on his legs. It is the tradition of the house that every member will keep quiet and go to the respective seats. If suppose you are still not satisfied, then whatever you want to do, that's left to you. I request. That's what I am saying. I have noticed that Tamil Nadu also is on the legs and also others also. Please. 2 minutes में कुछ होने वाला नहीं है. Please. Honorable members, I have received a notice on different subjects from different honorable members, including, please, Telugudesam also, please. Hello, Venkatesh, Mohan Rao, Madam, please. Ramachandra Rao ji, please, go to your seats for a while. Just for a while. Please go to your seats. For a while. Just for a while. Please. No commentary while sitting. Whatever I am trying to do is in the interest of the system, in the interest of the house. We have to understand this. What I am saying is, I have received notices from Sri Ghulam Nabi Azad ji, Anand Sharma ji, Pramod Tiwari ji, Naresh Agarwal ji, D. Raja, Sukendra Rai ji, Vinay Sahasrabuddhe ji, CM Ramesh, and also our notice. I am just coming here. Must have some patience. Even water from Kaveri, from there to flow here also to take some time. Yes. I'm just coming. A notice has been given by Sri Navanitha Krishnan and others on the order of the court and subsequent action to be taken with regard to formation of the board. Just now, I am going to allow him to raise the issue afterwards, and then if the government wishes to react, they will react also. This is what I am saying, please. Secondly, with regard to Mr. CM Ramesh and this Ramachandra Rao, the notice that has been given earlier, we have discussed it. If you want to discuss it further also, you have to give notice in a proper, appropriate form, and I am willing to allow discussion on that after consulting the government. The third one is with regard to the issues, 2 issues that have been raised today. Ramesh, please. Have respect to the institution and to the chair also. What I am suggesting is that the leader of the opposition and deputy leader and other members from this side has given a notice with regard to what has happened in Punjab National Banks and also in the banking system. It's a very important. Please, Raja, you know this thing, please. If Raja is not kind to Praja, then who else will be? But then the same notice in a different language was given by Sri D. Raja, Sukendra Rai ji, and also some others. The issue is very important. And I feel as a chairman of the house needs to discuss that issue because this is agitating the minds of the people. So it's agitating the minds of the people. So for that, but I suggest that I cannot accept under 267. You can give notice under 176 or other appropriate thing after discussion. Please, after discussion, then I will consider it positively and decide at the earliest, because for that I need to talk to the leader of the house also, leader of the council, that what the rule says, and then decide. Right. Yes. Yes. So, please, let me complete. The chairman is standing and you are also standing. But Naresh ji, please. नरेश जी, ठंडा होने का सवाल ही नहीं है. इतना इम्पोर्टेंट महत्वपूर्ण विषय है, इसको जल्द से जल्द चर्चा करना चाहिए. ये मैं भी उस पक्ष के हूँ और मैं लीडर ऑफ द हाउस से बात करके टाइम फिक्स करूंगा और नोटिस को कौन से रूप में देना आप लोग डिस्कस करके तय करेंगे. प्लीज एक्सेप्ट द चेयर, whoever is saying anything will not go on record, both print as well as electronic. Second is the notice given by Sri Dr. Vinay Sahasrabudhe and others is about corrupt practices indulged in by the relatives of the former ministers, and they also given a name of a person who is involved in some alleged scams. That also is an important matter, but I cannot allow it under 267. Give notice under appropriate rule, I will consider it also, and then fix time depending on the rule position, and then decide. And then with regard to the Kaveri issue, we will be taking up in the 0 hour. With regard to the issue of Mr. C.M. Ramesh, implementation of Andhra Pradesh Reaction Act and also Ramachandra Rao, my suggestion is you give notice under appropriate rule that can be discussed, or it's a budget session, you can have discussion in it. You cannot discuss it in 267. Very clear. I hope that everybody understands it. Please, Mr. Ramesh, let me complete. We are in parliament. The entire country is looking to us. Don't create hangama. Don't lower the dignity of the house. This is not the way. Hey, no poster should be. If this poster is there, then I may have to take action. Please don't force me to do that. As the member seems to determine to disrupt the house, for whatever reason it is, then I am adjourning the house to meet at 2 p.m. in the afternoon.